Hey people, so considering I always like to make these videos speaking about particular Instagram pages that everyone should know about. So there is a page that already has 115k followers. Yeah, so it's already in the top league. But that's what this is a page that is run by my school friend, as in my little sister's classmate, and the page is called Anjana Cooks. And oh my god, yesterday I was kind of taking a look at it, like just scrolling through that page, and which has been up for over 3 years now. Yeah, and here the one thing that stood out to me for me was the fact that this it's so much of perseverance, yeah, that goes into making something successful. And this page Anjana Cooks is all about recipes with a voiceover. Recipes as in the focus is on Tamil recipes, so even the pronunciations are, when Anjana mentions these typical Tamil dishes, it's the pronunciation is also like that. So I found that fascinating. So really, people, if you all are on Instagram, this page is called Anjana Cooks, and everybody needs to follow it, because those of us who enjoy cooking but can do with a little help in terms of the directions with regard to how to make this for the Ganesh Chaturthi celebrations or this thing. This is a page that is just, I can't recommend it enough. So it's called Anjana Cooks, and you can find it on Instagram. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.